he's still missing a little timing on the E. But all in all, it's strong, it's clean, it'll live, it's happy, the air fuel's flat. I'm not going to chase numbers if we're going to be switching fuels back and forth, you know?
Yeah, I get it.
I think it's a good, safe combination.
Yeah, I mean, 680 to the tires.
Yeah, almost 700 pounds of torque, you know?
Yeah, that's pretty.
And my air fuel's spot on. Commanded 82 and a half. It's bouncing between 82 and 83.
Yeah, 681.1.
Yeah, and the torque was 691, yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
693.
Wow.
11 pounds of boost. And it peaks at 12 at the top. IAT was a little high on that one too because it's been hot soaking. But it gives us a real world number, you know, under worse conditions.
Yeah, it's pretty warm in here today. What is done for this?
Did all his own work.
Oh, okay.
Did a nice job. Fully ported the blower. Put a 95mm throttle body on it. Did a Halltech carbon air intake system.
Yeah, that thing's gorgeous.
It was. We did a 2.25 Pulley. Still factory manifolds, cats, exhaust systems, all stock. Flexible sensor from DSX and tuned in via HP tuners.
So the whole exhaust is completely stock, no headers,
all stock,
nothing?
yeah, with exhaust on this thing, it'll easily make probably over 700.
Yeah, I would say there's probably an easy gain there.
So.
That's impressive.
The fuel pressure is trailing off a little bit, so it definitely needs a fuel pump voltage booster.